Look who's in the laundry room. It's Pickle. Schmickle, are you gonna join her and him? Pickle's actually a boy. Here, you can go. Isn't it adorable? And this is just the laundry room. The washing machines. Are you looking outside? You're so cute. You're so adorable. Oh.